Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about zodiac sign Taurus, and the question is what will happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Taurus. I have taken some Dream of Gaya's card here, and now I am going to shuffle for your card reading. What is going to happen with my dear Taurus in the first 15 days of what is going to happen with my dear Taurus in the first 15 days of October? What is going with my dear Taurus in the first 15 days of October? The first card is the Ten of Swords. Someone had betrayed you, someone had backstabbed you, they had done something bad to you, and now you are getting out of this situation. The 10 is the completion number, and now you are getting out of this situation. What else is, why is this 10 of Swords here? What will they make to them, my dear Taurus? They had cheated you, and you had made your mind about them, about their cheating. You are giving them as they give to you. Yes, with this card, I think that you want to give them what they give to you. You want to do to them what they had done to you. Okay, the equality card, equal revenge. You are hiding now something from them, or maybe that person had hide something from them. That's why you are feeling not good for that person, and they are apologizing to you. They are apologizing over here, and you are blocking them. Okay, you are blocking them, and you are very practical person, very professional person. You know what you have to do. This person is not good for you, so you are leaving them. What else is going on with my dear Taurus? You are defending yourself. If someone is asking you why are you doing this to them, this is not good. They had done only this, and you are doing a lot of things to them. This is not good. You are defending yourself over here. That about some excuses. With some excuses, you are making excuses for what you are doing, or maybe this person is making excuses to others. What else? You are a wise person. You are a very wise person. You know what to do, when to do, and how to do. Okay, you are thinking with your mind. You are making a good plan over here, and your skilled work is going to pay. Okay, what you have done, you are making some hard work for something, and that is going to pay you. And with this strength card, you have no strength, or that person have no strength come towards you. There is no clarity over this situation. Why is the strength card is upside down in this situation? Why is this strength card is upside down in this situation? Why is this strength card is upside down? Because maybe you are not waiting for that person. You have no strength to go towards them and think all about that had happened to you, what they did to you. You don't want to think about it once again. Why is this Ace of Swords upside down? Why is this Ace of Swords upside down? Because someone is they are wearing the false mask on their face. They are telling you the lie. They are restricting you. That's why you have no clarity over it. What else is happening to my dear Taurus in first 15 days of October? Now you are defending yourself. You are defending yourself. from this person. You know that this person is not letting you go. They are making excuse to others and restricting you to leave them, and you are okay. They don't let you to break their home. They don't let you to break this relationship, and they don't let you to think about this situation. You are not resting. Your mind is working all the time about this situation. You are not you are not relaxing. You are not peaceful at this moment with these all going on with you. What else? This is the bad thing. They don't have to do with this to you. You are getting out of this situation very slowly. You are forgetting about this situation very slowly, because you have a lot to do. You have a lot of desires with that person, or desire to do something. And with this Three of Swords, why is this Seven of Cups here in this situation? Why is this Seven? What do you want to do? You want to love this person. You are happy with the relationship, but you don't want to. You are not attracted. You are happy with this relationship. At the past, you think that this is your lover. You are happy with this relationship, but at this moment, you're still happy with this relationship. You still want this relationship, but you are no more like the previous person that you are in the past. You are changed because of this third party situation. Why is this Three of Swords here in this situation? And with this, maybe they want to leave you. They want some separation from you, or you want some separation from them. Divorce maybe. And at this situation, you both are a childlike person. You're not thinking with your mind. You are just wanting something and fighting with others to give me my independence. Or maybe this person is doing this and you are protecting your home, or maybe you are doing this and this person is don't want to leave you. Okay, this is vice versa. And the World card, but somebody had done something here and they want to end this up and begin something new. What else is happening with my dear? Justice is here for you. God will give you the justice. Allah will make the justice for you over here. What else? The person that had done something bad to other person, they will be punished and the other person will be rewarded. Yes, you are willing to leave that person. This is you. Or maybe you both now. You both are willing to leave each other. Okay, now you are going to be alone because you want the separation from this person. You are going to win, and you are very wise person with this Hierophant with these two cards, Hierophant and Hermit. You are a very wise person. You became very wise person because of this situation. Everything that happened to us is not that we had made some mistake. Sometimes it will happen to us because the universe want to make us a better person, a better of ourselves, wise person, experienced person, to give us the experience of life. If this all things happen to us, now you are going to have a good happy home life. Okay, maybe you are going to marry someone else, or maybe you are happy with your life while single, while living alone. Sun, definitely your abundance is coming. You are going to be happy. Yes, someone is there for you. They will make your life more happier than in the past. and they're so attractive towards you. They want to begin something new with you. They have done a lot of things to have you in their life. Yes, and you're searching for about this situation. If this situation is good for you, or what you have to done, uh, can you see that this person is holding that woman to see above, to see far away things, or to arrange these pentacles? Okay, this person will help you to get out of this bad situation. You have to marry someone else. You are very wise at this moment. You are very knowledgeable person, and you know what you have to do, what is good for you, and you are doing something that will make you happy, and this will lead you to your luckiness, your wheel of fortune, your faith, towards your fortune. Okay, this is a good card. And journey, you have a big journey towards this person. First you have to go with this person. They will make break your heart. You have a break heart because of that past person, and then you think that this person, from your past, it is good for you. This person loves you a lot. You maybe at some time you meet that person in the past, and now you think that because of that thing that you do this to them, uh, that's why your husband or wife is leaving you. Now you have to come back to this person, give them the justice. Okay, and then you will get something good from the universe, and you are getting something good. You are having a good happy home life. Emotions, you have to balance your emotions. You are expecting this person after a long journey. Okay, you know what you had done bad, and now you know what is the right thing to do. This is the right person for you, not that other person. This is the right person for you, and you are going to marry that person. They will change your life. They will make your life more happier, more loving, more caring. Okay, and at that moment you have to control your emotions. You have to think with your mind, with your heart and mind, with your love. What is serving you? Which thing is good for you? You are ending the previous relationship with the past person, and you are beginning something new with this new person. Okay, this is all for you, my dear Taurus, and please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know, like, share, subscribe, with lots of love, with lots of wishes. Bye.